Hey guys, if you are facing any hair related problem like major hair loss or graying of hair, or you are thinking how to treat split ends, rough hair, dandruff, then today's mask is for you as it's gonna treat all these problems. And the hero of today's mask is Bitter Gourd. Yes, this may come as a shock to some, but Bitter Gourd is great for skin and hair. Just cut the Bitter Gourd into pieces, put it in the blender, and then you need some rice water. So that's very easy to make. The water in which we wash our rice before cooking, we just have to use that water. So this is the water. And I will pour the water in the blender. We just need the water, not the rice. It helps in hair growth and treats dandruff. And then we need 2 tablespoons of curd. Blend this all together in a mixer or blender. And this is the blended mixture. To this we have to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you have major hair loss, then use sesame oil, as sesame oil helps in hair growth and also treats dandruff and adds shine to our hair. Then we need 2 tablespoons of gram flour, that is Besan. It makes your hair strong and healthy and give your tresses a flawless look. Some of them include hair growth. It will also prevent hair fall and will work as a hair cleanser. Then you need 1 spoon of glycerin. You can skip this if you don't have it. Mix this all nicely and this is the mixture. Make sections and then start applying it on your hair section wise. Take small sections and start applying it from the root and also to the scalp. Just twist your hair finally so that the hair absorbs the pack well. Same with other side. This hair mask will help you get hair growth, will prevent hair fall, it will work as a hair cleanser, it will control frizz and will fight all the dryness and will give you beautiful shiny long hair. Now whatever is remaining, apply it on your scalp nicely and keep it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can wash it with any mild herbal shampoo, no need of conditioner. So do try this guys and let me know your results below in the comment section. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I share such home remedies for hair and skin along with makeup tutorials every Tuesday and Friday. So see you next week with another new DIY. Till then, bye and take care.